Good morning children, I am Mubina Inamdar. Today I am taking maths spread for UKG class children. Our today's topic is skip count. Skip count twos. Skip counting is a mathematics techniques taught as a kind of multiplication in reform. Skip count counting by twos. A person can count to 10 by only naming every other number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The method of counting forward by numbers other than 1 in skip count, adding the same number each time to the previous number. Adding the same number to the previous number. Let's start with first. Let's us count in twos, being from 0 to 0 add 2. It's become 2. In 2 you have to add 2, then it becomes 4. Adding the same number each time to the previous number. Adding the same number to each time to the previous number. See, this is a 2. In previous number is 0. In 0 we add 2. It becomes 2. So after adding 2 to 2, it becomes 4. In 4 we have to add extra 2, then it becomes 6. Plus 2 it becomes 8. Plus 2 it becomes 10. Like this. Now let's start our today's activity. First one is count in twos, color the numerals. Here you have to count in twos and color the numerals. Here starting from 1. Here 2 is colored. After 2, in 2 we have add plus 2, then it becomes 4. So here also colored. In 4 we add plus 2 because it's a twos counting. It's a skip count of twos. So you have to add in a previous number 2. So it becomes 6. In 6 we add 2, then it becomes 8. So you have to color 6, 8 and 10. Like this, do these all exercise. Here we color 12. I don't have color, so I am coloring with pencil. 12. After 12 we add in 12 2, it becomes 14. So you have to color 14. In 14 we have to add 2, it becomes 16. So you have to color 16. Then in 16 we have to add plus 2, it becomes 18. So you have to color 18. After 18, in 18 we have to add 2, it becomes 20. So you have to color 20. Like this, do 21s to 30. Now second one. Let us count in twos, begin from 1. Here begin from 1, you have to color, you have to skip count twos. Here first starting 1. In 1 I will add 2 because it's 2's skip count. So I will add 2, it becomes 3. So here 3 is color. In 3 we add 2, it becomes 5. In 5 we add 2, it becomes 7. In 7 we add 2, it becomes 9. Like this you have to color, you have to do this one exercise. Here 1 and 3 colored. In 3 we add 2, so it becomes 5. So you have to color 5. After 5, in previous number we have to add 2, it becomes 7. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. In 7 we add 2, it becomes 9. So we have to color 9. In 9 we have to add 2, it becomes 11. In 11 we add 2, it becomes 13. Like this you have to color all the skip count numbers. Do this exercise in your textbook, page number 111, 111. Here is complete exercise is there on page number 111. 12. Skip count 2's. Here 8 is given and 10 is given. In 10 we add 2, it becomes 12. So you have to write here 12. 14. In 14 we have to add 2 because it's skip count of 2's. So you have to add 2. It becomes 16. Like this you have to do. In 20 we have to add 2. It becomes 22. Same as like this, you have to do all the exercise on and send on my WhatsApp number. Our second topic is skip count of 5's. Skip count of 5's. Count in 5's and circle the numeral. Let's begin with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 we add 5. So it becomes 10. In 10 we add 5. It becomes 15. In 15 we add 5. It becomes 20. So you have to circle the 20. Like this we have to do all the numerals which is of skip count of 5's. In your previous numeral you have to add 5's. If it is 2's you have to add plus 2. If it is 5's you have to add previous number to 5. Like this you have to do. Here 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Like this you have to do and understand what is skip count of 2's and 5's. Write the numerals that you have circled. Here you have to circle which numerals you have to write in these columns. I will do only one for you. 5 and 10. Next comes 15. So you have to write 15. After 15, 20. After 20, 25. Like this you have to fill the numerals that you have to circle it. Next one is skip count of 5's. Here you have to write the numerals of skip counting 5's. Here 5. In 5 we have to add 5, it becomes 10. In 10 we have to add 5, it becomes 15. In 15 we have to add 5, it becomes 20. In 20 we have to add 5, it becomes 25. In 25 we add 5, it becomes 30. In 30 we have to add 5, it becomes 35. In 35 we have to add 5, it becomes 40. Like this you have to do all the exercise. This is on your textbook page number 114. Next one is skip count of 10's. Count in 10's and circle the numeral. Let's begin with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 is circled. After in 10 we have to add 10, it becomes 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to add 10 into 10, it becomes 20. In 20 we have to add plus 10, it becomes 30. In 30 we have to add 10, it becomes 40. In 40 we have to add 10 because it's tens count, skip count of tens. So here we have to add 10 numbers to previous number. 50's previous number is 40. In 40 we have to add 10, it becomes 50. In 60, next 60. 60 is the previous number of 60's previous number is 50. So in 50 we have to add 10, it becomes 60. You have to circle it first 50, second 60, you have to add 10, it becomes 70. You have to add, it becomes 80. You have to add 10, it becomes 90. You have to add 10, it becomes 100. Like this you have to do. Write the numerals that you have circled. Here which numerals you have to circle, here you have to write in these columns. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are you have to write. Children, do these exercise in your home and send on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.